So you're thinking about a career that's part medicine, part art, and has a huge impact on people's lives. Well, you might be thinking about dentistry. Today, we're going to map out the entire journey for you. From your very first class all the way to running your own successful practice, this is your complete roadmap to a career in dentistry. Okay, let's get into it. All right, here's our game plan. We've got 5 key stops on this journey. First up, we'll tackle the big question: what exactly is dentistry? Then we'll look at all the cool specializations you can dive into. After that, it's the nitty-gritty of the BDS course itself, followed by all the amazing career doors that open up after you graduate. And finally, we'll talk about the big payoff, the rewards of being a dentist. Okay, let's start at the beginning. Section 1. What is dentistry? Most of us think we know what it is. We've all been in that chair. But trust me, it's so much more than just drilling and filling. So here's the official take. It's a whole branch of medical science. The key words here are not just teeth, but also gums, mouth, and jaw. A dentist isn't just a tooth doctor. They're a highly specialized physician for your entire oral cavity, which, by the way, is a major window into your overall health. So what does this mean in the real world? What's a dentist's day actually like? Well, they are absolutely on the front lines of healthcare. They're dealing with everything from a simple toothache to serious gum diseases and even complex oral surgeries. But here's the cool part. They're also artists. They literally design smiles and use cosmetics to boost a person's confidence. It's a job where you get to relieve pain and create joy. How cool is that? All right, now that we've got the basics down, let's get into one of the most exciting parts: the specializations. This is where you can really find your niche. Find that one area you're super passionate about and become a true expert. And wow, just look at how diverse this field is. I mean, you could be drawn to the high-stakes precision of an oral and maxillofacial surgeon. We're talking jaw surgeries and facial fractures. Or maybe you're more of an artist at heart, and being an orthodontist, literally creating perfect smiles with braces, is your calling. Or hey, maybe you want to make a huge community impact with public health dentistry. There is for sure a path here for almost any interest. So, you're sold. You want in. How do you actually become a dentist? Well, the main highway to this career is the Bachelor of Dental Surgery, or BDS. Let's break down what that 5-year journey really looks like. This program is no joke. It's a marathon, not a sprint. You've got 4 years of intense academic work, building that rock-solid foundation in all the medical and dental sciences. But then comes the 5th year, a full compulsory internship. That's where the magic happens. You finally get to apply everything you've learned in a real clinic with real patients. So here are the quick stats, the things you really need to know. The degree is Bachelor of Dental Surgery. It's a 5-year commitment, and in India, your ticket in is the super competitive NEET exam right after 12th grade. The coursework is tough. You're learning everything from human anatomy to the specific materials used in dentistry and, of course, oral surgery. It's designed to prepare you for anything. Okay, let's fast forward. You've done it. You've survived the 5 years. You've got that BDS degree in your hand. Congratulations. Now, the real adventure starts. This is the crossroads. Let's check out all the different paths you can take. And seriously, the possibilities are pretty much endless. You can go the entrepreneurial route and open your very own clinic, be your own boss. Or maybe you want the stability of a government job in the army or railways. You can go back to school for an MDS to specialize, or become a professor and shape the next generation of dentists. You can even take your skills abroad. Or, in today's world, you could become a dental content creator and educate millions online. Now, for the best part, let's talk about the payoff. After all those years of hard work and dedication, what makes this career so incredibly fulfilling? Well, I think it comes down to a powerful combination: the impact you make, the independence you have, and the income you can earn. Okay, let's talk numbers, because it's important, right? The financial rewards are definitely there. Now, as a fresher, you might start out with a more modest salary, but look at that growth. Once you get some experience, especially if you open a private practice or become an MDS specialist, your earning potential really takes off. We're talking about achieving a very comfortable lifestyle. But honestly, the real rewards go way beyond the money. This quote just nails it. It's this incredible mix of surgery, art, and science. Think about it. In a single day, you might perform a delicate surgical procedure, artistically sculpt a tooth to look perfectly natural, and use your scientific knowledge to diagnose a complex issue. It's a job that never gets boring, So, when you put it all together, why choose dentistry? Well, it's for people who love that blend of creativity and medicine. It's for people who want to see the direct impact of their work every single day, every time a patient looks in the mirror and loves their new smile. It offers fantastic career growth and, maybe most importantly for some, the freedom and independence to build something of your very own. So, we've laid out the entire map for you, from the first day of class to the peak of your career. The only question left is, does this path feel like the one where you're meant to build your future? The world always needs more people who can blend science, art, and compassion to make others smile. Is that person you?